again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So Aimeili has sent me over a pack of gel polishes. I've not opened them, but I have seen a picture, and these are going to be nice for spring, summer. Some really nice colours in this. So let's have a look. So these are in their 8ml bottles. So these are in their white bottles. They do get, they do have, let me show you, gel polishes in their bigger bottles, 10ml. I've got a few of their, they do sets of 6, and they come in the pink bottles like this, and they also have the smaller ones. They're still a standard 8ml. 10ml's a little bit big, isn't it? I would say 8ml are more standard, aren't they? So they're still full-size bottles. This is a pack of 12, so let's get these all out and we'll have a look at them. Guys, did you know as well, I only found out recently, Aimeili gel polishes or Hema-Free. Yes, I don't know, I don't think they used to be, but they are now. They are Hema-Free, and I think they're really reasonable price as well, because Hema-Free products can get quite pricey, can't they? I think these are fantastic value for money. Hema-Free, look at these. Ooh, yeah. So go over and check them out. So yeah, these are all numbered 262 up to 273. So yeah, there's 12 in this collection. I've got a discount code for their Aimeili website as well. It'll either be up on the screen or it'll be in the description box with a link to the website. I'll leave a link to this set on the website, and if it's available on Amazon, I'll leave the Amazon link below. It'll all be in my description box. So shall we just get on and swatch these? Wait and see the colours in this collection, guys. If you're looking for a set of gels to get you through spring and summer, this is it. It's got a little bit of everything in here. Yeah, my that background doesn't, it changes the colour of gels. It does. Right, let me just move all them out of the way so I can bring you in a little bit. So this first one, look at this, how creamy it is. It's a very, very nice pale pink. It's a little bit of a nude pink, actually. I wouldn't, yeah, it's a baby pink, but it has got a slight nude pink tone to it, hasn't it? So I'm just going to do one thin coat with yous, and I'll give them all a second coat off camera. That's a very pretty colour. Very nice pale pink, isn't it? Look at that, that's a really thin coat as well. Right, so these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, guys. I will just do a few with you, and I'll do the rest off camera. Oh gosh, these lids are so tight. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice pastel purple, or if you want to call it lavender. Beautiful colour, perfect for this time of year, isn't it? Easter, spring. Really nice pale purple. Ooh, that's so pretty. So I think this kit has got like some lighter shades and darker shades of kind of pastels. This is like a darker pastel blue, isn't it? But it's still a light blue. Oh, this is a beautiful colour. Look how these apply. That's a beautiful colour, isn't it? I really like it. Right, guys, on to the next one. Yeah, I'll just do these first 6. Oh gosh, with you, and I'll do the I'll fly through the second 6. Otherwise, the video is going to get too long. So this one's another blue, but this one looks like a paler blue. Like this one's like a proper baby blue, sky blue kind of blue. Yeah, I'm really liking these so far. Pastels, you normally get them in a collection of 6, really, a lot of the time, don't you? So to have 12 is nice. Yeah, so that's that one. That's a very nice sky blue, baby blue. So 266 looks like a very pale green. Yeah, this is a very pale minty green. Wow, this is a nice colour. Really pale minty green colour. I like it. I think I need to get some Easter designs done, don't I, with these. Every colour you would need over spring, isn't it? Really, really pale minty green, that one. Right, I'll just do this one with you guys, and then I will speed through the rest, and then we'll have a good look at them all together at the end. So this one's another green, but this one's a brighter. This is a really unique green. I like it. I don't think I've got a green like this. Greens is one shade I've not got a lot of. That's a very pretty colour. So I'd almost call that a neon pastel, isn't it? It's like a neon. Looks like it's glowing in the dark kind of green, don't it? Right guys, I'm going to fly through these last 6, and then I can't wait to see what they all look like together at the end. Right guys, that is them all swatched. Oh my god, this is a beautiful collection. I was a bit worried that some of the blues were the same, but they're absolutely not. There's the blues, and this one is more of a, like a really pale pastel kind of. Like this green is a beautiful colour. Aren't they pretty, guys? Super, super pretty. I do like these a lot. But yeah, I will do something with these during the week. Discount code, links to where you can get them will all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.